You don't need to be a developer anymore to build a software. A lot of people today have ideas, want to launch side projects, want to test business ideas or build something next to their job or current business. But they are stuck thinking, I'm not technical enough. Vibe coding changes that. In this video, I'll show you what vibe coding actually is, why it's powerful specifically for beginners, and what simple tools you can use today and how to start building without feeling overwhelmed. No programming background required. What is vibe coding in simple terms? Vibe coding means you describe what you want in plain English. Then AI builds the software for you and you adjust it and improve it. And that's it. And instead of writing code line by line, you're explaining your idea, reviewing what AI builds, saying yes or no or change this. You don't need to be a technical. You need clarity, and that's it. Why people are excited about vibe coding? Let's talk about why this matters. Most people don't want to become full-time programmers. They want to launch a small app, automate in their business, and test an idea in a weekend, build a tool for their niche, create a side project that could grow into income. Vibe coding makes this possible because it removes the biggest barrier, technical skills. It reduces time from the idea to product. It allows experimentation without big risk. This is especially powerful for entrepreneurs, marketers, designers, creators, people with full-time jobs. Vibe coding is not about code, it's about thinking clearly. Before you open any tool, ask yourself three simple questions. First, what am I building? One sentence. Example, a simple website that checks CEO tags for any URL. Second question, who is it for? Be very specific. Small business owners and marketers, for example. And the third question is what one main thing it should do. Not 5 things, just one thing. That's enough to start. Most beginners fail because they try to build everything at once. But don't do that. Start small. The MVP mindset. This is crucial. Your first version should be simple, ugly, basic, but working. This is called an MVP, minimum viable product. Examples of good beginners MVPs. A simple dashboard, a tool that checks something, or a generator, a tracker, anything that can show the minimal result. If it works, you win. You can always improve later. If you are new, do not start with complex developer tools. Here are easy, beginner-friendly options. First, Replit. It's perfect for beginners. It runs in the browser, there is no setup, AI builds apps for you, and you can deploy with only one click. What to use it for? Simple web apps, MVPs, experiments, learning how vibe coding feels. Second, ChatGPT as your thinking partner. Turning ideas into clear descriptions, writing prompts for other tools, clarifying what you actually want to build. Example prompt. Help me describe my app idea in simple steps so AI can build it. Use it before building. Third, Canva or Figma. If visuals matter, you can sketch the idea, make rough layout, and it doesn't require skills. Even a messy mockup helps AI understand your vision. So how a beginner should actually vibe code, step by step. Here's a simple beginner flow. First, write a 5-10 sentence description of your idea. Second, open Replit, paste your idea, click build, test what it creates and say, change this, remove that, make it simpler, and that's it. You are not coding, you're just guiding. Next important thing, when something breaks, be sure it will. This is normal. When something doesn't work, just don't panic, don't assume you're bad at this. Just tell the AI, this doesn't work, here's what I see. Copy the error, describe the behavior. AI is very good at fixing its own mistakes if you show them clearly. A simple rule that saves beginners. Change one thing at a time. Don't say, fix this, redesign everything, add features and make it faster. Instead of this, say, fix this one issue and then move on. This alone will make you 10x better at vibe coding. Vibe coding is perfect if you want to build a side project, you want to validate ideas fast, you don't want to learn programming for years, you already have a job or a business, and you want leverage, not another skill mountain. This is not about becoming a developer. This is about turning ideas into reality, faster and easier. Final thoughts. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. You don't need permission, you don't need technical background, you don't need to learn the code first. You just need a clear idea, simple tools, and the courage to start small. Vibe coding gives you that. Let me know in comments what you would want to build. Happy vibe coding! Press thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next video.